So way back when I started riding, I always rode Western. And as the years passed, I transitioned from Western to English or hunter-jumper riding. But I've become a little nostalgic lately, and I've decided that it is time for me to get back into Western riding. And basically this meant that I had to start over with all of my tack. I needed everything new because everything that I had was all English. So I went ahead and bought all kinds of Western tack and clothing, and I thought it would be really fun to share what I bought with you right now. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And like I said in the beginning, I'm going back to Western riding. And so I've been buying stuff over the past month or so. That's everything right there. Now I would say probably 70% of the things that I bought are used. I like to find good deals, and when it comes to horse stuff, horse tack can be really expensive regardless if you ride Western or English. So I did a lot of bargain shopping, and these are all my bargains behind me. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm going to sit down and we're going to go through everything that I bought in order for me to ride Western again. All right, well I was going to sit down, but I think it's going to be a lot easier to show you by just opening everything up. Some of them have already been opened. Do you know what this is? This is an off billet, and this goes on a Western saddle, and that is what you attach the cinch to. So Western off billet is the first thing I got. And yeah, I did open up some of these because I needed to see what they were. And no, these aren't really exciting, but I did need them. And these are hobbles or stirrup hobbles, and you put them on a Western saddle like that, and that is what holds the stirrup portion of the saddle together, and it keeps the leather pieces together and kind of compressed, so it's just kind of like that. And if I'm going to be riding Western, I needed Western boots because I didn't have any Western boots, and I got these on eBay. They were like $15. Pretty cool, huh? These are Tony Llama boots, and I tried them on and they fit, and they're really nice. Yeah, they're really used too, but if I'm just going to be riding, I just want to be comfortable, and thankfully they are very comfortable. So I've got my Western boots, I'm ready. Okay, so these are two shirts that I bought from Cavender's, I think that's how you say that. And they were not used, they are new, but they were on sale. Isn't that cute? I like that one. And another one. Both of these t-shirts are by Panhandle Slim. They're really nice, very cute, and they were like 50% off, so you can't pass up a good deal. And I want to look the part when I'm riding Western. So I think these shirts will help me to do that. These are really pretty. They got a little bit of bling to them, but this is a breast collar and a head stall. That is some serious bling. And it's a tie-dye pattern on there as well. Super pretty. I think Pleasant is going to look really fancy in his tie-dye Western tack. And to go along with the head stall that I got a pair of roping reins. These are made by Circle Y. These are not used. These were brand new, and I got them actually at Jeffers. So shout out to Jeffers because they had the best price, and these are pretty nice. Pretty excited to put that bridle together and see what it's like. And I also got a Circle Y brow band head stall from Jeffers. And again, they had the best price on the Circle Y products. Circle Y leather, it's really nice, it's very pliable. I did already go ahead and add some cute little conchos that I bought. They are very cute, and I liked the fancy conchos better than just the plain ones. So I wanted to add a little bit of something extra to the head stall. Now I haven't quite figured out how to get these on the bridle, but I really want to put these on the Circle Y headstall, and they're just some fancy conchos that, oops, that I bought a concho adapter for. So what you do is you just take the concho that you want, if it has the screw back, and you plug in the adapter. So then you can use the concho for, I want to use it on the headpiece of the brow band, or if you had like a fancy bolo tie, you could use it for that. But those are pretty handy to have, and they're actually really affordable. And I wasn't sure which direction I was going to go, so I got a bunch of different conchos. And these are from the Tack store, and they have tons of different conchos you can choose from, and they are really, really affordable. So that's pretty cool. If you want to look at some, if you wanted to add some different conchos to your headstall, to pretty much anything, I think, you should check out the Tack store. They're really cool. Oh, and this is a latigo leather, and this goes on a Western saddle. So this is what you keep the cinch in place with around your horse's tummy. Are you noticing a theme here? Lots of saddle stuff. Can you guess what's coming up? And when I was shopping on eBay one day, I found these fancy stirrups, and they're kind of a, I guess kind of an offset stirrup. See, they're kind of crooked. From what I've been reading, this helps with your knees. So pretty excited to try these stirrups out. These are by Showman. They weren't very expensive, but those are a pretty nice little stirrup. I don't know for sure because I haven't tried them out yet, so we're gonna have to try them out. And I got some stainless steel wire brushes. You might be wondering why I got these, but I promise I will explain in probably just a few minutes. All right, so I am gonna be riding Western, and I just had to get a cowboy hat. I had to. It's actually pretty comfortable. And it fits. I actually thought this would be really nice to have this summer when I'm doing barn chores, and the hat was like 20 bucks on Amazon. So that's not too bad, is it? 22 bucks for a cowboy hat? I like it. All right, so I've got one big box left, and I'm pretty sure you can guess what's in the big box. I'm betting you can. Ugh. This is what was in the big box. So this is a Billy Cook 15-inch seat barrel racing saddle. And I actually found this on Facebook, the Facebook Marketplace, which I haven't really utilized too much. Usually I go to eBay and even just buying new things, but Facebook Marketplace has got some really good deals, I found. Obviously, I got a really good deal on this saddle. And the saddle itself, this is supposed to be rough out on the fenders, but it's been pretty much worn down. And again, the rough out portion of the saddle is not very rough anymore. So my goal is I'm going to make this look really, really nice. And it needs some love. So that is what I'm planning on doing in the next video, is showing you how I'm going to make this more personalized to me. Because this saddle definitely needs a little bit of attention, and hopefully I can make it look really nice. Did you ever think I'd be making a video showing me buying Western tack? Wait till you see me riding Western. But the biggest reason I wanted to do this video is to show you that if you are a little bit persistent, you can find really good deals. You don't necessarily always have to buy new tack. Everything that I got here, oh, and I forgot to show you one more thing, but everything that I bought was less than $900. I know that's a lot of money, but I got a saddle, I got a bridle, got boots, got pretty much everything that I need to ride. But I better show you the last thing. This thing was, this is, let me just show you. Okay, so this is the final thing that I got, and this is a 5-star pad. And the 5-star pads have really good reviews. I did a lot of research on it before I decided which one I wanted to buy. It was a little bit expensive, but If it's going to protect my horse's back, then that's what I want, right? So I really like this pad mainly because Pleasant has super tall withers, and this has a cutout, if you can see that, has a cutout section in the front for his withers. And this pad is 3/4 of an inch thick, and that's pretty cool. Nothing fancy. It doesn't have all of the extra bling and color and all of that, but this is a really nice saddle pad, and I can't wait to go put it on my horse after I get my saddle all taken care of. All right, so that is everything that I bought, getting ready to get back into Western riding. And I think one of the biggest reasons that I wanted to start riding Western or get back into Western riding is I want to do more trail work with my horses and just kind of hang out with them and have fun with them. And it would also really be fun to maybe go to a gymkhana or something. I don't know how many warm blood barrel racers there are, but that might be kind of fun. And now I've got the saddle that says World Champion Barrel Racer, so I gotta live it, right? So be sure to subscribe to my channel and come back and see my next video, and then hopefully we'll have a transformation of this saddle before and after, and I'm really excited. So I need to get started on that. So I'm gonna go get everything ready so I can start my restoration of my saddle. And in the meantime, you could go watch a couple more videos. You could.